Morning, guys. Keith at Crypto Bullseye, and we're going to be talking about one thing in this video: trading indicators. How to make your trading life simpler by applying one indicator that gives you buy zones and sell zones dynamically. Remember DCA? How do you know when to DCA? If you've got levels to DCA in and levels to DCA out that are telling you buy and sell, that brings simplicity. But also, one thing that this indicator does is it goes into the smaller time frame, into the 15-minute time frame, which works better. That means that you get more calls, you get more results, and you can play the game during the day rather than over the course of weeks and months. So this is the Crusader indicator. Let's dive in. And we're starting off with a naked price chart. We're starting off with Bitcoin. And this is an important thing, guys. Use high liquidity tokens. High liquidity tokens work best on this indicator. I'm going to show you the indicator very shortly. But basically, I just want to explain exactly what it does. It is dynamic. What does dynamic mean? It means dollar costing in and dollar costing out. How do you know when to dollar cost in? How do you know when to dollar cost out? Because the indicator tells you, and I'm going to show you examples of this. So remember, guys, you've got a $1,000 portfolio. This is an example. You're going to use $200 of that $1,000. So you're going to use 20% of your capital, understanding one thing. You're going to split that 20% into 3 or 4. You need to find out what works for you. But just an example, we're splitting into 4. So we've got $200, which is 20% of the portfolio. You're splitting it into 4. That means 4 positions of $50 if 4 positions get hit. They don't need to get hit if 4 positions get hit. So where do you get the Crusader indicator? You can get it in the link in the description of any one of my videos, and you'll get a discount for hitting that. And then it looks something like this. So just take a look at the chart now. Where you're buying, where you're selling. Now take a look at the chart. Where you're buying, where you're selling. Certainly selling up here. Sell strength 1, sell strength 2, 3, 4. This is what I mean about splitting your position. So splitting your position in, splitting your position out, that would allow you to do one thing: take profit 4 times on this big swing. So let's move further down, further down. How easy is this thing? Stick it back on. There's the sell, there's the sell. Now, that was in an uptrend. That was giving you sell orders. Now Bitcoin's going into a sideways range. Does the Crusader indicator work in a sideways range? Let's have a look. So if you buy here and sell here, is that a profit? Yes, it is a profit. If you buy here and you sell here, is that a profit? Yes, that is a profit. Again, if you buy here and you sell here, is that a profit? Yes, it is a profit. Now, within the accumulation phase, you need to see one thing. You've got sell strength 1 and you've got buy strength 1. So we're not trending. We're not getting sell strength 2. We're not getting sell strength 3. We're getting buy 1 and sell 1. So that means of our allocation, that would only be $50 in the allocation. That would mean you've got 150 on the sideline waiting for buy strength 2. If it doesn't hit, doesn't matter. $50, take profit, $50, take profit, $50, take profit. In an accumulation phase, you don't need sell 2, you don't need sell 1, sell 3 or sell 4. You don't need buy 2, buy 3 or buy 4, because you could use this to do one thing. You can accumulate your position during a sideways phase. So if you're buying here, you're selling here, you're buying here, you're selling here, you're buying here, you're selling here, you're buying here, and then you're selling further up. What does that do? It means that you've got more Bitcoin. You've made more money on your account. You've bought, you've sold, you've bought, you've sold. You've accumulated. Your account's got bigger. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. What about this? You've got buy strength 1 here, sell 1. You've got sell 2. So what would that mean? So you've put $50 in, you've taken $50 out. How much does that mean? Or you've taken your profits out, which could be 60, 70, whatever the profits are. That means that you're out completely. That means that you don't take advantage of this. Does it matter? No, because you've made a profit here and you're waiting for the next move. So we go further down and we go further down. And you can see as the trend changes, the opportunities change. So you've got buy 1 here, buy 2 here, and buy 3 here. Now, this is where the indicator is good, because why is this? What is this here? That is, my friends, that's a downtrend. Trying to make money on longs in a downtrend is a difficult thing in itself. You've got buy 1, you've got buy 2, you've got sell. That brought the average around here. You've got sell. That is a profit. You've got another buy 1 here. You've got another sell 1 here. This is in a downtrend. Keep going further down in a downtrend. Look what's happening. You've got buy, you've got sell, buy. So I'm not going to keep going and showing you how simple this indicator is, but using it dynamically can give you an edge in the market, because it does one thing. It takes out the noise of the charts. It brings in simplicity, tells you what to do, tells you what to do. But you need to put your strategy in place so you don't lose all of your account if something goes wrong, because trading is a game of probabilities. You do it properly, you can be successful. Each and every single one of you can be successful in this if you do it properly. And I just thought that this is a simple, basic indicator that can help you along the way. So using indicators like this helps you identify the way that price moves, helps you get an edge in the market by understanding what works for you and what doesn't work for you. But my advice would be high liquidity tokens. Don't use anything really far down the risk curve, guys. You don't need to. If you did enjoy this, like I say, link at the description or link in the description below, and you can click on that and you can get a discount for Levi Crusader indicator. I showed you in the previous video, go back and watch the previous video of the Crusader indicator where it's got Levi's back tested results on the 15-minute chart, and he got a 4x on the whole account over 47 trades. That, my friends, is a very, very good trade and profit. So we know it works. I've shown you how it works. I've shown you what you should do as far as dynamics is concerned. DCA1, DCA2, DCA3, and then the same for out as far as DCA and out of the market's concerned. Sell 2, sell 3. So just remember that, guys. Use it wisely. If it is something that you do feel that could benefit your trading, sign up with the link, reach out to me, tell me how you're doing, and then let's work together on it. Take care of yourself, and goodbye from me.